Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's JayBush here again, and I'm super excited as usual. I want to share with you another cool regimen, another cool routine, my hair routine. So calm down. Okay, in today's video I'll be doing extreme protein DIY deep conditioner. So I have with me avocado, egg and oil. This is the oil. I am using rapid growth oil by JayBush natural. So this deep conditioner is good for damaged hair and also promotes hair growth. Avocado here is good for natural hair. It is built with nutrients that moisturizes the hair, scalp, and it's also rich in protein that enrich the hair. So it has vitamins as well for promoting hair growth. So we have here egg. Of course, you know egg is good for natural hair. It's a protein treatment as well. It's great for promoting healthy hair. It has vitamin A, so very good for natural hair as well. It's almost ready. Yeah, it's coming out in best form. Okay, almost ready. Almost ready. So now I'm going to add my egg to it. Here it is. Yeah, have it now. Take your time to do it's also advisable to blend your hair. Yeah. Apply it to your hair. Okay, my 4 sections. Okay, after this, cover it with a shower cap. I have a shower cap, my shower cap here with me. Cover it for 1 hour. Yeah. Okay. I'm out of the shower. It feels softer than before. Yeah, it's very soft and okay, even the split ends, the tangle ends are gone. See my hair here? Okay. This treatment is actually very cool for natural hair, so I recommend it for every natural. I recommend it for every naturalista. You could give it a try. Kindly subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, and see you in our next video. Bye bye.